Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to generate an Allure report in Behave. Allure is a powerful and visually appealing reporting framework that makes it easy to understand your test results. Instead of just looking at plain text outputs, Allure gives you interactive graphs, test steps, and logs. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up Allure with Behave, run your test, and generate a professional report for your BDD project. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search Allure report. Install Allure report for Windows. If you want to install Allure report for Windows, scroll down. First, make sure Scoop is installed. So first you need to install Scoop. For installing Scoop, click on installation instructions on GitHub. Scroll down and Scoop uninstaller and installation. Scroll down. First, set execution policy remote sign. Copy this command. Open PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. After clicking on Run as Administrator, enter command here, set execution policy remote sign. Click here, enter yes. Now you have successfully set execution policy remote sign scope current user. Now, typical installation you can view. Run this command from a non-admin PowerShell to install a scope with default configuration. Copy this command and now open PowerShell without administrator. Enter command here and here you can view initializing. Scoop is already installed. I have already installed Scoop. This is the command for installing Scoop. If you want to update Scoop, so you need to enter command this Scoop update to get the latest version. Now we have successfully installed Scoop. Now next thing we need to do here, open this one. Make sure Java version 8 are above installed. You need to install Java version and then set environment variable. For setup environment variable, edit environment variable for your account, and here you can view Java underscore. This is the path, JDK path, and then set up this environment variable in path section. You can view here percentage Java underscore home and then enter /bin. You can set up environment variable. You just need to enter JDK path. Now, next step we need to do, in a terminal, run this command. You need to install Allure for generating report. Scoop install Allure. Copy this command and open PowerShell. You can run this command on PowerShell, or either you can run this command on CMD. Scoop install Allure, and this is the version. Allure 2.3 is already installed. I have already installed this Allure version. For getting this version, you can just type here Allure dash version, and we can get this version by this command Allure dash version. If you want to get this version by CMD, enter here Allure dash version 2.35.1. This is Allure version. Now you need to run this command to see the latest version. Now open PyCharm and install Behave Allure. Open PyCharm. Hit install behave allure dash behave. This is the command for installing allure behave, and then enter. Now it will install allure behave. You can view here a new release of pip is available. This is for installing available pip package, and this is the command for upgrade. Now run the command here for generating allure report. Behave dash f allure underscore behave dot formatter allure formatter dash o for creating a new report reports. Suppose we want to create a new folder dash o reports slash allure dash results. It will create a report in a JSON format. After creating this JSON report, I will show you how you can generate report in HTML format. Behave dash f allure underscore behave dot formatter allure formatter generate a report with allure dash result. Now test is running in this scenario. It will open Chrome browser, redirect to this URL, enter username and password. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the data driven testing. You can check this video, login successfully. Now open PyCharm, and here you can view one folder has been created successfully, Allure result. Click on this one, but this is not pretty report. We need to generate a report in HTML report. Now we will use this JSON file for generating a Allure report. You need to type here Allure generate reports slash Allure dash results dash o, create a new folder dash o reports slash allure dash report, and then enter here dash clean for cleaning previous report and generate a new report. Allure generate reports, this is the folder name and this is report name, and generate a new report. Click on enter. Now report will be generated. You can view here report successfully generated to report. This is the path in which report has been generated successfully. For opening this report, either you can open by folder and you here Allure report, and after clicking on this one, you can either click on this index.html, click on this one, or you can open Allure report by command allure open and report folder. Inside this report folder slash allure dash report. This is the command for opening Allure report. It will open Allure report, and here you can view report open successfully. We have total one test case and 100% pass. There are no environment. If you want to view categories, you can view here categories and suits, graphs. You can view report in a graph format. You can view here passed, failed, broken, skipped, and unknown test cases. This is the total duration login using credentials from Excel. And here in the timeline section, selected one test and 100% passed. This is behavior. In the behavior section, you can view login using credentials from Excel. This is the history section. Retries if your test case will be retries. So here you can view retries, and this is test body. When I open the login page, here you can view when I open the login page, when I log in with user from Excel, when I log in with user from Excel, and this is the total durations. And in the packages you can view severity, normal, and test body, retries. And here you can view login functionality with Excel data, logging using credentials from Excel. So that's now you know how to generate an Allure report in Behave. This makes your test results much more meaningful, especially when you share them with your team or integrate them into CI/CD pipeline. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Behave BDD tutorials, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.